We'll start subtracting this 5 from 18. Ashrita, you tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
What, ma'am?
In second bit, what are the numbers in ones place?
8, 5.
8 and 5. Very good. So how many fingers you will take out?
5.
No.
8.
Yes, show me your 8 fingers.
We have to close 5 fingers.
Yes, very good. So close and tell me the answer.
3.
Very good. So we'll write 3 in ones place. Very good. And what we'll write in tens place?
1.
We will write 1. So what is the answer, Ashrita?
0.
No.
3.
Read this answer completely. Number is 1, 3.
13.
Yeah. So this is 1, 3, 13. So how many flowers are yellow? There are 13 yellow flowers. Okay, that's correct. Yes, children, this is page number 76 of your math textbook. Yes, Akshara? Akshara?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you were raising your hand.
Ma'am?
You were raising your hand, Akshara.
Ma'am? What? Which page number?
Page number 76 of your math textbook. I did it mathematics. Page number 76, 76.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Ansel, yes. Ansel, you were raising your hand.
I'll tell ma'am.
See, this is not the way. You are not supposed to speak like this. That I'll tell one by one, everybody will get a chance. You should wait for your turn. Okay. Yes, children, you have to write this 13 in blank space also. Right? Now, next word problem. And remember this thing, children, you have to use this raise hand option only when you have any doubt. Fine. Next is a shopkeeper had 39 pencils. A shopkeeper had how many pencils? 39 pencils. He sold 7 pencils to a boy. So a shopkeeper has 39 pencils and out of those 39 pencils, he sold how many pencils? 7 pencils to a boy. Now they are asking how many pencils are left with the shopkeeper now. Again, this left word is there. And whenever this left word is there, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to do subtraction, right? So what we'll do now, total number of pencils are 39. Total number of pencils are 39 and out of these 39 pencils, he gave away 7 pencils to a boy. Actually, he sold. Fine. Now we have to find out how many pencils are left. So what we'll do, we'll subtract the given numbers. We'll subtract the given numbers. Right, Akshara?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the number in ones place? Sorry, 2 numbers.
Ma'am?
What are those 2 numbers?
Ma'am, which bit you are asking?
Third bit.
Third.
Yes, in
Ma'am,
one.
ones place
Yeah,
9 and 7.
very good. 9 and 7. So how many numbers we'll take? How many fingers we'll take out?
Ma'am?
How many fingers you will take out?
7.
No. No. You will remove 7 fingers because beside minus sign 7 is there. But how many fingers you will take out? What is your first number, Akshara, in ones place?
9, ma'am.
Yeah, so you will take out 9 fingers, and from those 9 fingers, you will remove 7. So show me your 9 fingers.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
9.
And now remove your 7 fingers. Count and close one by one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many are left?
2.
So we'll write 2 in ones place. Okay. And what we will write in tens place, Akshara?
3.
Yeah, we'll write this 3 as it is. So what is the answer?
32.
Yes, answer is 3 to 32. So we will write this 32 in this blank space also. Very good. Yes, now next word problem. So now this is, there are 19 cars in a parking lot. 8 cars are left. How many cars are left in the parking lot now? Okay, so there's a parking lot. You all can see picture is also there. So there is a parking lot. Parking lot means, yes, Ayan, you need to unmute yourself.
Say answer.
Ayan, just now I told Anshul Raj that do not speak in class, that I'll tell the answer. You should wait for your turn, okay? When it's your turn, you should give answer. Okay. So, parking lot is an area, it's an area where we park our cars, right? Where we park our cars. So, in a parking lot, there are 19 cars. In a parking lot, there are how many cars? 19 cars. And out of those 19 cars, 8 cars left. Left means 8 cars left that parking lot. Now they are asking how many parks are there in the parking lot now. So what we'll do? We'll do subtraction here, right? And remember, whenever we are subtracting two numbers, we always start subtracting the number in ones place. Rohit Chaudhary, you tell me in fourth bit, what is the number in ones place? Sorry, two numbers are there. What are those two numbers? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the numbers in ones place? Tell me those two numbers in ones place.
1, 9.
I am talking about ones place.
9, 8. 98.
Wrong. It's not 9, 8, 98. It's only 9 and 8. Now tell me how many fingers you will take out.
8.
Wrong. Whatever is your first,
9.
yeah, you take out your fingers according to the first number. Yes. So it's 9. Okay, fine. And from these 9 fingers, how many you will remove?
8.
Yes. Remove 8 fingers then.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many are left?
1.
Yes. So only one finger is left. So what we'll write in ones place?
1.
Yes. Very good. So we'll write 1 in ones place. Excuse me. So we'll write 1 in ones place, and what we'll write in tens place?
1.
Yes. So what is the answer, Rohit?
11.
Yes, answer is 1, 1, 11. So we'll write this 11 in this blank space also. Okay, now this is correct. Okay. Fine. Those who have completed. Yes, children. Now open page number 137. 137 of your math textbook. I did it mathematics. 137, 137 page number. We'll do question number 2. 137, 137. We'll do it now. Open this page. 137, 137, question number 2. Write date in classwork. Above this question number 2, children, you all have to write date in classwork. Yes, children, again, I'm repeating that you have to write, you have to open page number 137, 137, and please write date in classwork there. Above that question number 2. Yes. So now what we have to do, we have to subtract a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. What we have to do? We have to subtract a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number, right? So we'll start with our first bit now. Those who have completed, well and good, right? Okay, so we'll start now. Our first question is 5656 minus 3434. Yes, children, most of you are forgetting to read this minus symbol. Again, I am telling you that you should know how to read the question first. Then only you will be able to solve that question. Right? So this is 5656 minus 3434. Right? Yes, Siddharth?
Ma'am, page number.
Siddharth, this is page number 137 of your textbook. Yeah.
137.
Okay.
Ma'am, 107.
137, 137.
Not there, ma'am.
137, 137.
Yeah, not there, ma'am. Yeah, here.
Ma'am, yesterday I gave.
Ma'am,
Complete a
over,
homework.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's what I said. If you have completed, very good. Okay, those who haven't completed will do it in class now, because yesterday I gave only question number 1 as homework. Excuse me. Okay, children, we'll start now. So again, we are subtracting the number. We'll subtract the number in ones place first. Brinda Raj, unmute yourself. Brinda. Brinda. Brinda, you need to unmute your, yeah. Brinda, unmute yourself, please. No, I'm unable to hear you. Yeah, Brinda.
Ma'am,
Okay, Brinda, now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
ones place.
Yeah,
Six.
first bit. 6 and
4.
very good. So how many fingers you will take out?
6 fingers.
And how many you will remove? Akshara, I'll get back to you.
1,
Huh?
2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5,
No.
6.
Yeah. So and how many you will remove?
4.
Remove
4
4
not
fingers.
there,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now remove 4 fingers.
1, 2,
Yes, yes, 3. And
1 and 2.
yes, so 6 minus 4 is 2. We'll write here 2. And in tens place, what are the numbers?
Tens place.
Tens place. 5 fingers.
Yes.
1, 2, 3,
Yes, yes. Take out 5 fingers.
1,
5
2,
finger change. Tens place. 3 or 5.
5.
Now, how many you will remove from these 5 fingers?
3 left.
Remove 3 fingers.
1, 2, 3.
How many are left?
1 and 2.
Yes, so we'll write here 2 in tens place. So what is the answer, Brinda?
2 to 22.
So answer is 2 to 22. Okay, now that's correct. Yes, Akshara. Akshara.
Ma'am?
Yeah. Yes, Akshara. Akshara, you were raising your hand. Tell me.
Page number.
Akshara, this is page number 137, 137 of your textbook. I did it mathematics.
Test.
That same book we did word problems, no, in that same book. Page number 137. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Ayan Puluru. Ayan. Ayan, read second book quickly.
9 minus
Read that question properly, Ayan.
79. 79. 54. 52. కుండలని అలంకరించి తలపై
Ayan, I'm waiting.
వేషాలు వేసుకొని
Ayan.
Ma'am,
Yes, read that question. Come on.
79 minus 52.
Very good. So this is 79 minus 52. So what are the numbers in ones place?
Ones place 92, ma'am.
92, ma'am.
9 and 2.
9 and 2.
Yes. So how many fingers you will take out?
2.
Yes. Show me your 2 fingers. Sorry. No, you will remove 2 fingers, Ayan. How many fingers you will take out?
ఎన్ని ఫింగర్స్ తీసుకుంటాం?
Wrong.
9.
Yes. Show me your 9 fingers. Now how many you will remove?
2.
Remove 2 fingers and count and tell me how many are left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So we'll write 7 in ones place. Okay. Now what are the numbers in tens place, Ayan?
Tens place 70.
7 and 5.
7 and 5.
7 and 5. Okay. How many fingers will you take out?
5.
7.
Oh,
7 అయ్యా.
7.
you always take out fingers according to the first number. So if the first number is 7, so you will take out 7 fingers. Okay? Yes. And how many you will remove from these 7 fingers?
5.
Yes. Now remove 7 fingers.
3, 4, 5. 2.
How many are left?
2.
2. So what is the answer?
27.
So answer is 2, 7, 27. Okay. That's the correct answer. Now next. Third bit. Sai Ritvik, you were raising your hand. Sai Ritvik, do you have any doubt? Sai? Okay, fine. Fine then.
You're raising your hand.
Okay. Now next, Mana, read next question. Third bit, Mana. Manha. Yes, please read third bit. Bhanu, next is your turn.
9.
Yes.
98 minus 7.
No.
4.
Yes. So this is 98 minus 74. Okay. So tell me what are the numbers in ones place, Mana?
8.
No. Numbers in ones place. Don't tell me the answer directly. Yes, Mana.
84.
Huh? No. 8 and 4. You have to read them separately. What is it, Mana?
8 and 4.
Yes, you will read these numbers separately. So this is 8 and 4. Very good. So how many fingers you will take out?
8.
Yes. Take out 8 fingers. And how many? And how many you will remove?
4.
Yes, remove 4 fingers now. So how many are left?
4.
Yes, so we'll write here 4 in ones place. Now in tens place, what are the numbers, Mana?
9 and 7.
So how many fingers you will take out now?
9.
Show me your 9 fingers. Yeah. And how many you will remove?
7.
Remove 7 fingers.
7 remove karo.
Close fingers one by one. Count and then close, Mana.
2.
How many? Very good. So answer is? What is the answer?
Answer bolo.
2.
No. Complete answer. 2, 4.
24.
Very good. So answer is 2, 4, 24. Bhanu, now read bit number 4. Fourth bit.
4th.
D. Bit number D.
8 minus 8.
No,
Zero.
no, no.
68 minus 38.
Very good. So this is 68 minus 38. Now tell me what are the numbers in ones place.
8 minus 8.
So numbers in ones place are 8 and 8. That is 8 minus 8. And 8 minus 8 is
0.
0. So we will write 0 in ones place. Okay. And what are the numbers in tens place?
6 minus 3.
Yeah. So then 6 minus 3 is how much?
3.
6 minus 3 is 3. So we will write 3 in tens place. Very good. So what is the answer, Bhanu?
30.
Answer is 30. Okay, that's correct. Bhanu, you
Yes.
were not attending class. Where were you?
I was not well, ma'am.
Okay, now are you fine?
Yes.
Okay, take care of yourself, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now, next, bit number E. That is your fifth bit. Dhirav? Dhirav, are you there? No. Ansel Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
now read fifth bit, bit number E. Yes, Ansel, read quickly. Ansel, I'm waiting. Ansel, read fast. Come on.
93.
Wrong. Wrong. You have to read the first number together. That is 94.
94.
Yeah, 94. Then
3, 1.
no,
31.
no, that's wrong. Who will read that minus symbol? Again and again, I'm telling you all that you have to read that minus symbol also. Read it and then tell me.
Minus
Yes, 94 minus
31.
Yes. So this is 94 minus 31. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place? Quickly. Yes, Ansel. Ansel, I'm waiting. What are the numbers in ones place? Yes, quickly, Ansel. Can you see that O is written there? That O stands for ones, Ansel. Now tell me. Ansel, I said that O stands for ones. Tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
4.
4 and 4 and
10.
wrong. Below that 4 number is 1. So number in ones place are 4 and 1. Now camera on please. Ansel, quickly camera on. Show me your 4 fingers now. Yeah. Now how many fingers you will remove from these 4 fingers?
2.
Why 2? What is the number in ones place? Below that 4, what is the number?
1.
Yeah. Now remove 1 finger. How many are left?
3.
So we'll write 3 in ones place. Okay. Now in tens place, numbers are 9 and 3. Show me your 9 fingers.
9 fingers.
Now below that 9, what is the number?
3.
3.
Remove 3 fingers.
3.
Dhirav, next is your turn.
6.
Yes, so 9 minus 3 is 6. So answer is 63. Dhirav, where were you when I called you? I called you earlier also, but you were not there. Okay, Dhirav, now read bit number F. That is bit 6th bit. Read that question first. 8, 6. Dhirav, you are not audible. I'm unable to hear your voice. Please check, Dhirav, check yourself. No, I'm unable to hear your voice. I can just see your, I mean, I can just see your lips are moving. No, Dhirav, you are not audible. I'm unable to hear your voice. No. Dhirav, now try to speak. No. Your voice is not at all audible, Dhirav. No. There is some issue. Rishita? Rishita?
Yes.
Rishita? Rishita, you need to unmute yourself, Rishita. Rishita,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible? Yeah, Rishita, please read bit number F. That is 6th bit. Read that question. 8686.
86.
86, then symbol is there, plus or minus? Yes, Rishita. Plus symbol or minus symbol?
Minus.
Yes, so 86 minus
What is this number?
5.
4, 5, 40.
4, 5, 45.
So this is 86 minus 45. Okay, fine. Rishita, you were not attending class for so many days. You did not attend class. Where were you? Huh, Rishita? Okay, fine, Rishita. Tell me what are the numbers in ones place? Rishita, what are the
6
numbers?
and 5.
Yeah, 6 and 5. So, show me your 6 fingers. You need to switch on your camera. Rishita, camera on, please. Yeah, show me your 6 fingers quickly.
Ma'am,
Show me your 6 fingers. And from these